or I will solve the homework problem first. So it is a 3 by 4 rectangle is inscribed in a circle. What is the circumference of the circle? In these questions you should always draw the figure, okay? A rough figure would be enough. So what the question says is a 3 by 4 rectangle is inscribed in a circle, okay? Rectangle is inscribed in a circle. So what we can draw is something of it is first we'll draw a circle. A circle could be of this form. Then we can draw a rectangle, okay? Because a rectangle is inscribed in the circle, and we are also given the dimension of the same. So uh, let it be 4. This is 4 and this is 3, okay? Now if you look, the diameter of circle is actually the diagonal of the rectangle, right? So over here we already know that this is 4 and this is 3, right? So can we find out the diagonal of this particular rectangle? Yes, if we consider one triangle, then by Pythagoras theorem we can easily find out the diagonal, okay? So what does it say? Pythagoras theorem says let the diagonal be x. X square is equal to 3 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, okay? So it will be equal to 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25, right? That means x is equal to 5. So that is diagonal. So but actually the diagonal is the diameter of the circle, right? You can easily view from the figure the diagonal is actually the diameter of the circle. So diameter is equal to diagonal is equal to 5, right? Now can we know circumference? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r, right? Or we can write it as pi times pi times diameter. So it will become 5 times pi, okay? So what we were required to find out in the question was a 3 by 4 rectangle is inscribed in circle. What is the circumference of the circle? Now circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, that is pi d. So we need to find out diameter. Now we need to find out the diameter. Now we'll look at the figure. Diagonal of the rectangle is the diameter of this circle, right? Now we can find out the diameter by using Pythagoras theorem, right? So it will be x square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So that will be 9 plus 14. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So x will be 5, okay? Now we'll do question number 18. Dave's collection contains UK, Indian and Ireland stamps. If the ratio of UK to Indian stamps is 5 to 2 and the ratio of Indian to Ireland stamps is 5 to 1, what is the ratio of UK to Ireland stamps? So in these questions you should write the given data in ratio form, okay? So what we can write, UK is to India is 5 is to 2, okay? And the other thing is India is to Ireland is 5 is to 1. Now India is common in these two ratios, so what we can do is we can write India at for second place for both, okay? So UK to India will be 5 is to 2. Ireland to India will be 1 is to 5, okay? So now India is common in both. Now if we do something, if we are able to make the ratio for India same, like if we multiply first equation by 5 and second equation by 2, then what we will notice, UK to India will be 25 is to 10 and Ireland to India will be 2 is to 10, right? So now India is common here, so UK to Ireland will be 25 is to 2. Now what are we required to find out in the question? What is the ratio of UK to Ireland stamps? That's what we found. UK to Ireland stamps at ratio 25:2. So let's check whether it's there or not. So yes, option E is correct. 25:2 is the ratio of UK to Ireland stamps. So what we did in this particular question was, Dave's collection contains UK, India and Ireland stamps. The ratio for UK to India is given and India to Ireland is given. So we wrote UK to India as 5:2, UK to Ireland as 5:1. Now we moved India from here to second place. So again we wrote the two ratios, UK to India as 5:2 and Ireland to India as 1:5. Now we did something to make India the same. So we multiplied first ratio with 5 and second by 2. Okay, so it will become 10 and it will also become 10. Now UK and Ireland ratio will also change according to the multiplication. So UK to India became 25:10 and Ireland to India became 2:10. Now we compare, UK to Ireland will be 25:2. Okay, so that's what the answer is. Alright, thanks a lot. Now we'll meet again next part. Thank you. This is Gaurav Alia from Karsak Education.